Hello team, I would like to present to you my design justification for our newest infographic. With the information I am giving you, I would like to make sure the team is okay with moving forward to use it in our newest campaign to teach students about the problems of drugs and alcohol in the United States. The first design principle, I use proximity, which is aligning related design elements. First, I want to make sure that there was some general information and the introduction about education, but I use a grouping to put information about alcohol and its own section, and information about drug education and its own section, because I don't want our audience to have to go back and forth when reading the infographic. I want them to know the information is going to be about by reading the title and the basic information at the top. Next, I use visual hierarchy to arrange the elements in a way that shows the hierarchy of the importance. I used some number representation and I made the number bigger than the actual descriptions, because I wanted to use the visual hierarchy to draw the eye to the number. I chose the more contrasting color of a brighter purple and teal to draw the attention to those numbers as well. I used alignment, which is to give the element on the page some order. I use vertical alignment to keep next between lines to make sure groups stayed together and the information didn't get lost or just merged into each other on the page. I wanted the information to be easy to spot and easy to read. Next, I use icons to present information I put on an infographic. I use pictographic of cars to show the statistic for the numbers of accidents that involve alcohol, so the student can visualize one car out of every three. I chose to make the one car black to contrast with the white cars and shows that symbolizing static using an anomaly principle for color choices. I did more of 60-30-10 complementary color scheme. I use white, black round, and mostly tail and blue colors, but I use around 10% of the bright purple to be an acid color to draw the attention to the information. For font design principle, I use serif font in the bigger, more important information, and I use sans serif for the information that would require little more reading. Let's create contrast as well to separate the titles from the information. I hope my design justification have met your requirement and that our infographic can be published soon. Thank you.